Asuntoskeittiö Kirkkosalmentie 3 in Laajasalo, Helsinki, staircase D. 1996 by Helsingin Hissi and modernized in 2006 by Kone. Serial number is 226. And the age is just needless letter. Helsingin Hissi never used it. Fifth floor. And 2006 Kone M series elevators are rare. So this very nice elevator. And most elevators from 2006 are boring, or at least not amazing, but it is still amazing. Because it's also rare. Of course, Helsingin Hissi was so much better. Ground floor. 3 persons, 240 kilograms. This parking is planned maintained by Kone. And the elevators from Finland accidentally filmed staircase second time when he was going to film staircase D, but he can film this staircase later. 5th floor. But we both filmed other staircases together. That's